Well, hello there. Welcome to this video. I wanted to do a quick video for anyone that is looking to record their presentations via Zoom, so to speak, right? Now, it's not hard, but there's just a couple of steps involved. So I thought I'd do a quick video on that and I'll walk you through the process there. So it's going to be a little bit clunky because I need to show you what's on my screen and go back and forth between different things. So hopefully you'll be able to strap in for the ride and make sure you take lots of notes as we go through this. So let me just change the screen and we'll jump into it. Alrighty folks, so hopefully you can see my screen okay. So we got Google going on there, and so we're going to come to Zoom, and basically you can get a free account with Zoom, and with Zoom you can record up to 30 minutes for free. So if you are going to record your 30-minute sessions, you may want to purchase a paid account for just 1 month, so to speak. And I think that's like $20 or $30, whatever it may be. But anyway, let's jump into it. So what we want to do is we want to grab our mouse here, and we want to come up to host. We want to come up to host, and we want to definitely do a with video on there, with video on. Now it's going to get a little bit unusual because my face may show up here, right? So that's all good. So I'm going to click on host, and there we got a bit of me on the screen there, right? So what we can do is if we want to record it, we go down to more. We go down to more, and then we can scroll in, and then we can click on record on this computer. Record on this computer. So I'm just going to click on record on this computer. All right, so it's recording right now. It's recording, and I will say some interesting things. And hello, how you going? Yay, yay, yay! Recording a video, right? So I'm going to come back here. Now, if I want to now say it's the end of my presentation and I want to stop my presentation, what do? Well, I come down and I click end. Okay, so end meeting for all. So I'm going to click end. Okay, now it's going to start converting the recording, right? And it's very important that the conversion, you let it happen. If you don't, you're going to lose the recording, right? Now, then it's going to show up with a prompting box, so to speak, and it's going to show up with whatever the name of your session was, right? So if we come down, we've got Mark Miles Zoom meeting, right? And I can click OK, or I can rename the file. All right, so I'm going to go down, rename the file, and I'm going to put in test recording. I'm just going to drop in test vid. Okay, test video. So I've typed in test video, and basically in order to do that, I just right clicked, and that gave me the option to change the name there. All right, so I'm going to click OK on that. Now, it then comes up with the new screen there, and hypothetically, if you can't find the video, what do? You go down to the search bar here, and you can type in whatever you called it, right? So if you called it test vid, well then you could drop in the search there, test vid, and it'll come up with this this I don't know, prompting screen or the box, whatever they call it there, right? So then what we want to do is we want to come over to the video file here, and we want to rename it. All right, we want to rename it, and let's rename it to let's go with test vid again. All right, or you could call it like presentation or TAE presentation or whatever it may be there. All right, so I'm going to click test vid. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my internet or my computer, right? And I'm going to click on my Gmail, all right? So I'm going to click on my Gmail, and then I'm going to come over to new tab, right? So I'm going to make sure I'm logged in on Gmail. Then I'm going to come over to these little dots over here. I'm going to click on those. Then I'm going to come over to YouTube. Okay, I'm going to come over to YouTube, and on YouTube here, If you've got a Gmail, you should automatically have a YouTube account, right? But you can look into that. I'm going to come over to click on your videos. I'm going to click on your videos, and then a list of all the videos that I've got is going to show up here, right? Now, naturally, whatever you've got will be whatever shows up for you there, right? But in my case, I've got quite a few videos going on. So what do I want to do? I want to come over to create. I'm going to click on create. Click on create, and then I'm going to click upload videos, all right? So then what I do is I'm going to come back over to my screen over here. I'm going to click on test video, and I'm going to drag and drop it over here. And it's going to give me the options there to type in the title of the video, bit of a description, scroll down, and the playlist. If you've got playlists, great. If you don't, doesn't matter. Then we come down, is it made for kids? Yes or no? No, it's not made for kids, right? So I'm going to click that one. Then I'm going to come over to next. All right. And then it said add subtitles, add an end screen, add cards. Yeah, you can ignore all of that there. So then we're going to click next again. And we're going to click next again. Okay. Now, if you are looking to upload this as part of your TAE course, you may actually want to click unlisted. So basically that means that only people with a link can watch it, right? Private means that you can set it so that only people with a password can watch it, and you can direct who can watch it as well. All right. Now, if you click public, that means that anyone at all can find it on YouTube and search it as well there, right? So we highly recommend that you click it as unlisted there. All right, so we're going to come down and schedule. You probably don't want to do that. Schedule is basically choosing a date that the video will be released there. So we're going to come down, and we're going to click save, and then it's going to be basically uploaded to YouTube, and we can click close there. Now, it will take some time to upload, and it will take some time to buff up, so to speak, or all the technical words, but basically that is now uploaded, ready to go. You should be able to click the link, click on it, share the link, and you can share it with anyone that you want to be able to watch that video there. So it's not too technical. You just need to make sure that you do click record session, and we do recommend that you record on your computer. So it's going to give you two options there: record on the account or record on the computer. We recommend record on the computer. It's easier to find because it just automatically pops up after you do your session there, right? So you don't need to go in and find the file, so to speak, and all that fun stuff. Anyway, hope you got some value from the video. If you are anyone that's looking to record things on Zoom, that's pretty much how to do it. And hopefully you got some tips there. If you get stuck, drop a message, reach out, and more than happy to help you out. It's not too challenging, but you do need to have a few goes so that you know how to do it and you're not panicking on the day, so to speak. Or if you're recording a video anytime on Zoom, make sure that you do test it so that you don't lose your file. Thanks for watching, team, and we'll see you on the next one.